Fruits are nature's candy, sweet, juicy, and full of vital nutrients that help fuel our bodies and boost our health. Whether you're snacking, juicing, or blending into smoothies, knowing what's inside your favorite fruits can help you make better dietary choices. Let's explore 10 common fruits, their sugar content, vitamin profile, and health benefits. 1. Apple sugar, tilde, 19 g per medium apple. Vitamins, vitamin C, B complex, B1, B6, benefits, supports heart health, aids digestion, helps regulate blood sugar. A perfect on-the-go snack. Apples are rich in fiber, especially with the skin on, and contain antioxidants like quercetin and catechin. 2. Banana sugar, tilde 14 g per medium banana. Vitamins, vitamin B6, C, potassium. Benefits, boosts energy, supports muscle function, aids in digestion. Bananas are the go-to fruit for athletes, offering quick carbs and essential electrolytes to replenish after workouts. 3. Orange sugar, tilde, 12 g per medium. Orange vitamins. Vitamin C, A, B9, folate. Benefits, strengthens immunity, promotes clear skin, reduces inflammation, citrusy and refreshing, oranges. Pack a vitamin C punch that keeps colds and fatigue at bay. 4. Strawberry sugar, tilde, 7 g per cup, halved. Vitamins. Vitamin C, manganese, folate benefits, rich in antioxidants, supports heart health, aids in skin repair. Low in sugar and high in antioxidants, strawberries are a guilt-free delight in desserts or salads. 5. Mango sugar, tilde 22 g per cup, sliced. Vitamins. Vitamin A, C, E benefits, boosts immunity, improves eye health, supports digestion. The king of fruits is high in natural sugar, but equally rich in vitamins, fiber, and flavor. 6. Blueberry sugar, tilde 15 g per cup. Vitamins, vitamin C, K, manganese benefits, brain booster, reduces oxidative stress, supports heart health. These tiny berries are antioxidant powerhouses linked to improved memory and reduced cognitive decline. 7. Pineapple sugar, tilde 16 g per cup. Chunks. Vitamins, vitamin C, B1, thiamine, manganese benefits, aids digestion, bromelain, boosts immunity, reduces inflammation. Tropical and tangy. Pineapple is also anti-inflammatory thanks to its unique enzyme content. 8. Watermelon sugar, tilde 9 g per cup, diced. Vitamins, vitamin C, A, magnesium. Benefits, hydrates, supports eye health, muscle recovery, low in calories and super hydrating. Watermelon is a summer staple with a refreshing nutrient profile. 9. Papaya sugar, tilde 8 g per cup, cubed. Vitamins, vitamin C, A, E, folate. Benefits, improves digestion, promotes skin health, rich in antioxidants, packed with enzymes like papain. Papaya aids digestion and nourishes the skin from within. 10. Grapes sugar, tilde 23 g per cup. Vitamins, vitamin C, K, B1, benefits, supports heart health, provides antioxidants, resveratrol, improves circulation. Grapes may be small, but they're loaded with polyphenols that benefit cardiovascular health.